Hey everybody, today I will be making another Tart Inspired Iced Latte with the frosted strawberry milkshake. I have some milk, coffee, which is the instant kind, heavy whipping cream, my shortbread, got my strawberry sauce, powdered sugar, graham cracker crumbs, but if you have like shortbread crumbs, you can use that. Strawberry and cream, finish is sugar. This is my first time using it, so I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide. I'm excited. I'm gonna drizzle the inside with the strawberry sauce. Alright, this is how it looks. I'm gonna also line the side of it. Try to put it on the outside a little. Alright, in my bowl, I'm gonna take my strawberry and cream finishing sugar. And I just want to rim half of the cup. And this is how it looks. And I have another one, and I'm gonna put my corn crackers. And this one I'm gonna line the other part with. Smart, ain't it? That's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna transfer my coffee inside here. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of powdered sugar. I'm gonna put the rest of the strawberries and cream that I had to rim it up. It's probably like less than a teaspoon. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of the shortbread syrup. I got the sugar and everything too, as you see. Ooh. Now I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of the strawberry preserves. Probably 1.5. Okay, I'm just gonna put a teensy bit of the milk so I can be able to shake it up. Hopefully it shake up good without me having to use my food processor. I don't feel like taking that out. I'm gonna make my instant coffee. 2 tablespoons I'm gonna add to this milk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble. I went ahead and already put the ice, it's regular ice. Now I'm gonna put in my coffee. Alright, now I'm gonna put in this strawberry that I made. Alright, now I want to make it the cold foam. Alright, put in some of my heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna put a little bit in there. Another like tablespoon strawberry syrup. Alright, what I forgot to show y'all, I forgot to show myself some red food coloring because I want to make it pink. Now I'm gonna shake. So pretty. It smells good too. It's good. I tell you, it's so pretty. I know I always say it, but it's the truth. Want me to lie? Because it ain't gonna happen. It's giving what it's supposed to give, and that's just strawberry milkshake iced latte with the Tart. I love it. I actually got some knives. Here they go. Now it's a little teensy bit different. They got sprinkles and all different color sprinkles and stuff. That's giving birthday cake, not really milkshake. So you know, sometimes I didn't want to do all that. You see the pink on the side, and that's all I need. I ain't gotta do it exactly like how they do it. I do what makes sense to the noggin. What I'm gonna do. Yeah, you taste the strawberry, you still taste the coffee, you taste the sweetness, but it's not like overly sweet, but it's sweet enough. This is good. I don't know if I can really tell the shortbread, but I definitely taste that strawberry milkshake factor. And the coffee, good. 10. 10 I was there, baby. That cold foam, but once I mix it, it made it extra good. Make this, y'all. Yeah, make this. Hit this recipe up. Yeah, bless that.